Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we will explain about mirror reflection to fulfill our final test of mathematics computation for school subject. We are from group 9 with the members Ermayanti, Nurwilda, and Diati Mutmainna. We are the students of International Class Program of Mathematics Education 2017, Department Mathematics, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science of Universitas Negeri Makassar. The part that we will explain to you, first, what is teaching aid, what is mirror reflection, the function of mirror reflection, tools and materials, how to make and how to use mirror reflection, and the last is advantage and disadvantage of mirror reflection. Move to the first matter. What is teaching aid? One of the efforts to optimize the learning of mathematics is math learning by teaching aids. The use of teaching aid is very important for the success of learning. In other side, also very helpful for the educator in conveying a concept, especially math lesson, which sometimes require tools to be easily understood by the students. There are many types of teaching aid that considering students' grade level, corresponding interest, and ability, such as mirror reflection, GeoGebra, and others. So, what is mirror reflection? Mathematics students in 9 and 11 grade are studying about reflection, and it's quite difficult to explain about. Using teaching aid, especially Mira, to explain it will help students to be easily understood. Teacher will directly show how reflections look like, and the understanding of students about reflection is not an abstract anymore. The next is the function of mirror reflection. A mirror can also be used to find a bisector of triangle, construct a parallel line, to complete congruent coplanar circle. Using mirror, we can find the reflection of shape, line, and other. Not only find the reflection, but also we use it to find the perpendicular bisector, line of symmetry, and also help you to be easily draw the reflection of shape itself.
Next is how to make the mirror tools. First, we must know what tools and materials that we need. They are 1 layer 9 cm x 15 cm translucent acrylic, and then 2 layers 9 cm x 5 cm translucent acrylic, and the last is glue. After we have all the tools and materials, we just put the 2 layers 9 cm x 5 cm translucent acrylic to the end of the another acrylic using the glue. We can see at the picture below. Then, in here, we can see what will we do by these tools. First is, we can see the reflection of line segment. And the second is, we can see the reflection of the shape. We just need the line or shape, and then we can see the reflection by put the mirror beside the line or the shape.
Implementation. Mirrors help students in geometry with the concept of symmetry and reflection as a transformation in two-dimensional geometry. The mirror has the advantages over the mirror in that they'll allow students to continue to see their original image at all times. When using a mirror, students lose sight of the complete original, whatever point they place the mirror. The mirror asks a student to map one image over another to varying degrees, but nevertheless, this mapping and moving of the mirror opens door to conceptual understanding of reflection. The one student understand how to use the mirror, they are then able to go further by tracing their reflection. This is done by looking through the mirror and tracing the image in a surplaying intuitive way. Once the mirror is removed, the student, as all of the components of the transformation, left behind on paper. Advantages of mirror reflection. The first, developing the level of the student mind and thinking. Make students use this tool more. Keep all information in the main student for a long time. Make the student perform the activities on their own, developing the student's mind. And the last is giving full understanding and execution of the lesson. Although the disadvantages of this tool is that is still rarely used among students, so this tool is still blocking who wear it.
That's all about mirror reflection, and thank you very much.